today our topic is all about parabola. Okay? So, ganun pa rin. So, pag natapos nyo mapanood yung video na to, sana yung target natin, nakuha nyo ha. Okay, yung first target natin is to determine the coordinates of the focus, vertex, and endpoints of the latus rectum, and also the equation of the directrix. Then, second target is we're going to find the standard and general form of the equation of the parabola given the different condition. Okay? So, parabola has four orientation. Meron siyang opening to the right, merong opening to the left, merong opening upward, merong opening downward. Then of course, meron siyang mga vertices. May vertex siya at the origin, then may mga vertex din siya at H and K. Okay, so before anything else, let's familiarize first the parts of the parabola. Okay, so let's say this is our parabola, opening to the right. Mamaya sasabihin ko yung mga standard equation ng mga parabola na opening to the right, opening to the left, opening upward, and opening downward. So, ito lang muna yung stick natin. So, this is our parabola opening to the right. So, this is our vertex. This is the coordinates of our vertex. So, from vertex to this point, so ito yung point natin, ito yung focus po natin. Mayroon po yung mga measurement. Yung measurement po nito ay C. So, mamaya, alamin natin kung ano yung C. C po yan. So, from vertex to focus is equal to C. Then, from vertex to this point, ito may point yan dyan. Itong line na to, ito yung directrix. Ito yung equation of the directrix. Okay? So, from vertex to this point is also equal to C. So, dahil lang yung parabola. Okay, ulitin ko. From vertex to focus is equal to C. Then, from vertex to this point, to the line of the directrix is also equal to C, yung distance po nila. Okay. Ito, L sub 1, L sub 2, yung po yung tinatawag na endpoints of the latus rectum. Okay. From this point, papunta po doon, yung measurement po niyan ay 2C. Okay? Ganun din po sa baba. Mula po dito, papunta po sa baba, 2C pa rin po. Yun na po yun lahat. Ulitin ko lang parts of parabola. Ito yung directrix niya, vertex, focus, endpoints of the latus rectum. In the distance from vertex to the endpoints of the directrix is equal to C. Then from vertex to focus is also equal to C. Then mula naman sa focus, so dapat ano ha? Inline yan doon lahat. So, focus to the endpoints of the latus rectum. So, is equal to 2C. 2C. Then, latus rectum. Yung sinasabing latus rectum, the length of the latus rectum. Ito po lahat yan. Ito po lahat yan. Then, it is equal to 4C. Okay? Yun po yung mga parts ng parabola. Okay, proceed po tayo sa mga standard form of the equation of the parabola. Vertex at the origin po muna. Then later, vertex at H and K. Okay? Okay, so the standard equation of the parabola, vertex at the origin. So, apat po yung orientation niya. Opening to the right, opening to the left, opening upward, and opening downward. Okay, ano yung mga standard equation nila? Opening to the right, standard equation, vertex at the origin, y squared is equal to 4cx. Kanina doon sa part ng parabola, meron akong C doon. So, ito po yung C. Paano pagkuha ng C? Nandito po yan sa equation. 4cx. Opening to the left naman, standard equation niya, y squared is equal to negative 4cx. Positive 4cx, negative 4cx. Okay? Opening upward, x squared. This time, x squared naman po. X squared is equal to 4cy. Then opening downward, x squared is equal to negative 4cy. So yun po yung mga standard equation of the parabola, vertex at the origin. So paano naman po daw pag vertex at H and K? So for example, papalitan natin ng vertex at H and K. So, ganito lang po yan kasimple. Paano pagpalit niyan? Ganito lang. So, for example, opening to the right. Ano yung standard equation niya? Well, of the parabola when vertex at h and k. So, it is y minus k squared is equal to 4c times x minus h. Yun yung standard equation niya when vertex at h and k. Opening to the right. Opening to the left. Okay, ito yung standard equation niya kanina. Vertex at the origin. So, pag ano naman po, h and k, ganito lang po yan. Y minus k squared is equal to negative 4c then x minus h. Okay? Ng h, then si k po, dagdag kay y. Okay, ganito lang din po dito sa opening upward and opening downward. So, x squared, so x minus h squared is equal to 4c then y minus k. Standard equation. So, sa kabila, so x minus h squared is equal to negative 4c then y minus k. Okay? So, yun po yung mga standard equation of the parabola, vertex at the origin, and vertex at h and k. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so our first target is we are going to determine the vertex or the coordinates of the vertex, focus, endpoints of the latus rectum, equation of the directrix, and the axis of the symmetry of the parabola given the following condition. Equation. First equation, we have x squared is equal to 12y. So, this equation is a parabola opening upward. So, dapat familiar kayo doon, agad. Pagtingin pa lang po dapat doon sa equation, ma-identify nyo na kung saan ba nakaharap yung parabola. To the right, to the left, upward, or downward. So, this one is the parabola opening upward. Okay, so, para makuha yung coordinates ng vertex, focus, endpoints of latus rectum, equation of the directrix, and equation of the axis of symmetry, parabola, pag given yung equation, yung pinakamaganda niyan, i-plot muna natin sa Cartesian plane. So, magagandang Cartesian plane kung walang grid. Okay? So, paano yung pag-plot? First, kunin muna natin yung C. Okay, paano ba yung C? So, ito yung 4C natin. 4C is equal to 12. So, find C all over 4, all over 4, therefore C is equal to 3. So, our C is equal to 3 units. So, the distance from vertex to focus is equal to C, from vertex to the directrix is equal to C, then from focus to the endpoints, one of the endpoints of the latus rectum is equal to 2C. So, yun yung parts of parabola, di ba? Okay, so graph na natin. So, this is opening upward. So, vertex mo natin, lagay natin yung coordinates ng vertex natin at the origin. So, nandito po yung vertex at the origin. So, yung focus po natin, from vertex to focus is equal to C. So, upward, 1, bilang lang po, 1, 2, 3. So, from vertex to this point is equal to C. So, yun po yung focus natin. Ano yung coordinates ng focus natin? So, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. X is 0, then y is equal to 1, 2, 3. 0, 3. Okay, yung focus po natin. Endpoints of the latus rectum. So, papunta po doon. Nandito po yan ha. Inline po yan sa focus po natin. So, mula po dito, papunta po sa endpoints of latus rectum is equal to 4. Is equal to 2c. Dito rin, 2c. Total po lahat, 4c. Yung 4c, yung po yung tinatawag na latus rectum. So, kung makikita nyo po dito, si 4c po, siya po si latus rectum. Ito po ngayon si 4c. The length of the latus rectum is equal to 12. Okay? So, si 2c po, 2c is equal to 6. So, 6 na papunta doon, 6 na papunta po dito. Bilang lang po tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Then, lagyan po ng point. Lagyan ng point. Okay? Kung ngayon yung opening ng parabola natin. Yan. Opening upward. So, this is L sub 1. Ito yung point ni L sub 1. Then, ito yung point ni L sub 2. So, ano yung coordinate ni L sub 1? X muna. X is 6. Si Y naman po ay 3. This is negative 6 rather. Negative 6, then positive 3. L sub 1. L sub 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 3. So, yun po yung endpoints ng latus rectum. Negative 6, 3 and positive 6, 3. So, ano yung kulang pa natin? Equation of directrix. So, yung directrix po natin. So, from vertex to focus is equal to C. Then, opposite po niyan, vertex to directrix is equal to C rin. So, C natin is 3. 1, 2, 3. So, nandito po. Nasa negative 3. So, ito yung directrix natin. So, ano yung magiging equation nito? So, this is a constant function na may equation na y is equal to negative 3. Okay, equation ng directrix po natin, y is equal to negative 3. Axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry, ito po yun. So, ibig sabihin, x is equal to 0. Equation po niyan, axis of symmetry, x is equal to 0. Ito po yan. Okay. Tapos na po. Okay, our second equation given. So, we have y squared minus 5x plus 12y is equal to negative 16. So, this time, given po yung general equation. So, yung gagawin po natin nito para makuha yung coordinates ng vertex, focus, endpoints of the latus rectum, equation of the directrix, and equation of the axis of the symmetry, convert muna natin to into standard form. Okay? Pagdating sa standard form, makukuha na po yung C, then makukuha na yung vertex. Okay? So, convert muna natin. Pagsamahin mo na lahat ng y kasi yung may highest term natin ay y. So, y squared plus 12y. Lagyan na po natin ng plus blank. Equate na po natin sa kabila. Is equal to, so yung negative, magiging positive 5x minus 16. Okay? Lagyan natin ulit dito ng plus blank. Kasi may plus blank dito. Completing the square. Okay, complete na natin yung square. Divided by 2 is equal to 6 squared. 36 po yan. So, dito po, 36 ulit. Factor natin to. So, that is y plus 6 squared is equal to 5x plus 20. Tama po ba? 5x plus 20. Simplify. So, y plus 6 squared. So, common factor, 5. Yung matitira is x plus 4. Then ito, naka-standard form na po yan. So, from general form, ito yung general form, papuntang standard form. So, naka-standard form na po. Pagdating sa standard form, ma-identify na po natin kaagad yung vertex po muna niya. Saan yung vertex niya? So, sigurado yung vertex po nito nasa h and k. Okay? Yung h po natin is at negative 4. Yung k po naman natin is at negative 6. Okay, mayroong vertex, negative 4, negative 6. Ano po yung kukunin natin? Yung c. 4c is equal to 5. 4c is equal to 5. Okay? Solve for c, all over 4, all over 4. Then c is equal to 5 over 4. Okay, meron na tayong c, meron tayong vertex, plot na po natin. Okay. Okay, so plot na po natin sa Cartesian plane. So yung standard equation po natin, the quantity of y plus 6 squared is equal to 5 times the quantity of x plus 4. So y squared, so ano yan? Pag y squared, it is to the right or to the left po yan. So tingnan natin kung yung force dito ay positive or negative. So positive po yan. So ibig sabihin, that is opening to the right. Okay? So y squared, y plus 6 squared is equal to 5 times x minus 4. So opening to the right po yan. Locate muna natin yung vertex. Vertex po natin is negative 4 and negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is negative 4, negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hanggang dito sa baba. So this is the vertex. So, mamaya na. Mamaya na natin. Check muna natin yung mga coordinates. So, next, opening to the right. Opening to the right. Papunta po dito. Okay? So, next, yung focus po natin. Nakita natin yung coordinates ng focus natin. So, yung focus natin from vertex to focus is equal to C. Ano yung C natin? 5 over 4. Convert to decimal, it is 1.25. Tama? So, opening to the right. So, this is 1.25. So, assume nandito, banda. O, nandito lang, si focus. Now, kukunin natin yung coordinates si focus. Yung focus po natin, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, tama? Minus 0.25, this is negative 2.75. Okay? So that is negative 2.75. Then, ano yung nandito? Negative 6. So, yun po yung coordinates ng focus po natin. Next, endpoints of the latus rectum. Endpoints of the latus rectum. So, in line sa focus yan. So, yung focus po natin nasa negative 2.75. So, yung C po natin ay 5 over 4 times 2. So, it is equal to... Okay, so, kukunin natin yung endpoints of the latus rectum. So, kukunin natin yung 2C. So, yung C natin is 5 over 4. Therefore, yung 2C po natin is equal to 5 halves. Or it is equal to 2.5. 2.50. Okay? So, 2.50 pataas, then 2.50 pababa. So, 1, 2.50. Then, 1, 2. May 0.50 pa. So, ito yung L sub 1. Ito yung L sub 2. Opening to the right. Ayun yung parabola natin, ha. Isipin nyo na lang. Perfect yan. Okay? Okay. Okay, endpoints po nito. Nandito po. 1, 2.5. Then, 1, 2.5. Dito po. Okay, kukunin natin yung coordinates ng L sub 1 natin. L sub 1. Si x po niya at negative 2.75. And, yung y po niya ay, so this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 6. 1, 2.5. So this is negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3. So negative 3.5. Negative 3.5. L sub 2. So L sub 2 paras lang, negative 2.75 and si y naman po, this is negative 6, negative 7, negative 8.5. Negative 8.5. Okay, yun po yung endpoints of the latus rectum ng secant equation natin. Next, directrix. So, this is vertex. To focus is equal to 1.25. So, papunta rin po dito, 1.25 right. So, distance po nito, 1.25. So, negative 4, negative 5. So, this is negative 5.25. So, the equation po nito, so this is x. Lagay ko na lang dito, x is equal to negative 5.25. Okay, equation po ng directrix natin. Then, axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry po natin, it is y is equal to negative 6. Yan lang. So, third equation, we have negative 12 times y minus 3 is equal to 1 cube x minus 5 squared. Okay, so naka-standard form na yan. I-arrange na lang po natin. X minus 5 squared is equal to negative 12 then y minus 3. So, our 4c is equal to negative 12 over 4. Our c is equal to negative 3. I mean, negative 4c rather. Negative 4c. So, it is equal to 3. So, negative 4c is equal to negative 12. Then, our c is equal to 3. Okay? So, graph na po natin. Okay, so that is opening downward. So, vertex po natin ngayon, H and K. So, vertex muna natin. Vertex natin, 5 and 3. 5 and 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nandito banda. So, dito yung vertex natin. At 5, 3. Okay. Yung focus natin, this is opening downward. Pababa. So, 3 daw po. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ulitin ka. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, nandito po yung focus natin. So, ano yung coordinates ng focus natin? Si x po, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Si y po ay 0. 5, 0. Okay? Coordinates 5, 0. Next, endpoints of the latus rectum. So, along x-axis. So, this is an x-axis. So, ano ba yan? So, yung c natin is 3. Therefore, 2c is equal to 6. So, bilang tayo ng 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, along po yan ha. Nandyan po yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Andun po. So, opening. Ayusin na lang po natin ng konti. Okay, yun na yun. So, ito yung vertex. Ito yung focus natin. Yan. Endpoints of the latus rectum. This is L sub 1. This is L sub 2. So, yung coordinates ng L sub 1 natin is at x po natin ay negative 1, 0. L sub 2 natin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 11 and 0. Okay. Kulang natin. Equation of the directrix. So, from vertex to the directrix is equal to C. Our C is equal to 3. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, ito po yung directrix natin. Ano ba yan? Equation nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, that is y. Y is equal to 6. That is y is equal to 6. Okay, so our next target is to find the standard form of the parabola given the following condition or information. Okay, the standard form or general form of the parabola. Okay, so our first information, so we have the coordinates of the vertex at 1 and negative 3 and focus is at 5, negative 3. So pag ganito po, pag given yung mga coordinates, yung pinakamaganda niyan, i-plot po sa Cartesian plane. Then, bilang-bilang po doon. Then, ma-determine po natin doon kung saan ba yung opening ng parabola, upward, downward ba, to the right ba, to the left. And also, yung measure ng C, makukuha natin doon. Okay? Likat naman natin vertex. 1, negative 3. This is 1. Negative 3. 1, 2, 3. So, dito yung negative 3. Nandito yung coordinates ng vertex natin. Focus natin. 5, negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 3. 1, 2, 3. So, nandito yung focus natin. Okay? So, from vertex to focus is equal to C. So, ilan yung C natin? So, mula dito, papunta dyan, C po yan. Ilan yung C natin? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yung C po natin is equal to 4. Vertex, focus. Ibig sabihin po, yung opening ng parabola po natin to the right. Okay? Vertex at H and K. So, ano yung standard equation ng parabola opening to the right? Is y minus k squared is equal to 4c times x minus h. Okay? Yun yung standard equation of the parabola opening to the right. Okay, so yung gagawin natin, substitute na lang po tayo. Ano yung kailangan natin? Kailangan natin si K, kailangan si H. Of course, kailangan yung opening ng parabola. So, na-determine na po natin. So, kung nandito yung vertex, nandito yung focus. So, ibig sabihin, nasa loob po yung focus. So, ganyan po yung curve. So, opening to the right. So, meron na tayong C, meron tayong 4. So, we can determine now the standard form of the equation. So, the standard form will be equal to y minus k. Yung k po natin is negative 3. So, y plus 3 squared is equal to 4c. Yung c po natin is 4. So, magiging 16 times x minus h. Yung h po natin is 1. So, minus 1. So, standard form, ito na po. Standard form po yan. Then, kung kukunin yung general form po nito, expand, combine like term, then equate to 0. Try po natin ha. Y squared plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 16x minus 16. Okay? So, y squared minus 16x plus 6y plus 9 plus 16 is equal to 0. So, arrange lang. Y squared minus 16x plus 6y plus 25 is equal to 0. Ito yung general form niya. Okay? Okay, so another condition, we have vertex given. The coordinate vertex, negative 8, 5. And the equation of the directrix at y is equal to negative 19 over 4. So, ganun pa rin yung pinakamaganda nito. Flat pa rin sa Cartesian plane. At mo lang, makukuha mo na lahat. Vertex mo na, negative 8, 5. Negative 8, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, nandito banda. Nandito yung vertex at negative 8. Ayusin natin ha. Vertex is at negative 8, 5. Ano yung given na isa? Directrix at 19 over 4. Directrix at 19 over 4. Okay? So, yung directrix natin, y is equal to negative 19 over 4. Unit is equal to 4.75. 4.75. Y is equal to 4.75. So, this is y-axis. This x-axis. Y na 4.75. 1, 2, 3, 4.75. Nandito po yung Veritrix. Ito po yung Veritrix ngayon. This is y is equal to 4.75 or 19/4. Okay. So, ano yung kailangan natin? Meron tayong vertex. So, ito yung vertex. Ito yung directrix. So, ibig sabihin, yung opening ng parabola natin, upward. Okay? Directrix. So, therefore, opening upward. So, ano yung standard equation? X minus h squared is equal to 4c y minus k. Okay? So, yung kailangan natin, h, k, tsaka yung c. So, mayroon na tayong vertex, mayroon na tayong h and k. Mayroon na tayong h and k. Okay? So, yung kulang na lang natin si c. So, from vertex to the point of this point, yung line of the directrix is equal to c po yan. So, kanina pa kanto? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yung directrix natin is 0.75. So, therefore, para maging 5, yung kulang natin is 0.25. Okay? So, therefore, yung C natin is equal to 0.25. Okay? Or, it is equal to 1/4. Okay? So, substitute na lang po sa equation. So, sa x, h po natin is negative 8. So, plus 8 squared is equal to 4. Yung c po natin ay 1/4 times y. K is 5 minus 5. Yun na yun. Simplify lang po. So, x plus 8 squared is equal to 1. Y minus 5. Ito na po yung standard form. Kung kukunin yung general form, expand na lang, combine din equal to 0. Arrange na lang. Yun lang po. Okay? Sana po may natutunan po kayo. Okay? Then, yung mga problem po natin sa module, sana nasagutan niyo. Okay? Thank you for watching.